Welcome! In this tutorial, we'll show you how to create a floating UI from scratch. You'll learn how to design and customize this versatile interface, starting with the basics of adding and formatting text elements. We'll also cover how to incorporate images to enhance the visual appeal, and show you how to add an interactive button that links to an external website. To begin, let's add a floating UI to the scene from the top menu. Once the floating UI is selected, you can adjust its basic settings, such as position, offset, and layout. To add a new element to the floating UI, click the plus icon in the floating UI menu. We'll start by adding a title. Add a text element and rename it. Then, write the desired text in the text box. Now, let's fine-tune the text. In the font settings, you'll see various options such as font families, weight, size, and color. We'll focus on adjusting the font weight and increasing the size to better fit the title format. Now, let's add another text element for the subtitle. Enter the text in the text box and decrease the padding in the layout menu to reduce the space between the title and subtitle. Before adding a description, let's insert a divider to create a clear separation between the title and the following content. Then, add a new text element, rename it, and paste the description text into the text box. Adjust the font size and add more spacing as needed. Next, we'll add an image. To do this, add an image element to the floating UI. Click on the image and upload the desired image. Now, let's add a button element. Enter the text you want to display on the button in the button text box. Adjust the padding and height as needed. You can also change the fill color by selecting a color or entering an exact hex value. Don't forget to change the font color as well. Before setting up an interaction for the button, we'll add one more text element to the floating UI. Enter the desired text into the text box. Then, center-align it to create a balanced appearance and adjust the size and font color. Now that the floating UI is complete, we just need to add interactivity to the button. Open the Interact mode, create a new interaction, and rename it. Add an on-click trigger, targeting the button in the floating UI. Then, select the Open Link action from the Actions drop-down menu and paste the URL into the URL window. Switch to Preview mode to test the interaction. And that's it. You've successfully created a customized floating UI with various elements. We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions or want to see more tutorials, feel free to leave a comment. Thanks for watching.